So in today's video, I'll show you how to replace the ink cartridges on the Canon Pixma TR4720 series. And if you're looking to buy ink cartridges for these printers, I'll leave links right below the video, so feel free to check those out. As you can see, I have paper loaded here, and you probably do as well. And I highly recommend removing this paper before we get started. You can leave the printer powered on, and let's open this front cartridge compartment. And you'll notice as soon as you do that, the cartridge tray slides into view. And we're going to remove the cartridges from the cartridge tray. And I'll start with the color cartridge, which is on the left. I'm going to pull down on this blue cartridge lock lever till it unlocks, and then let's pull the cartridge out of the tray. And let's do the same with the black cartridge. I'm going to pull down on the lock lever and then pull the cartridge out of the tray. And next we're going to install our cartridges. Before we do any setup on the printer, we've got to do a few prep items on the cartridges themselves. I'm going to peel and remove this outer plastic cover, pop the cartridge out of its container, and let's remove this piece of protective plastic tape. And we're going to do the same for both cartridges. I'm going to peel off this plastic cover, pop the cartridge out of the tray, and then remove this piece of protective tape. And we're going to insert the cartridges into the tray. We're going to start with the color cartridge, and the electronic contacts on the cartridge are going to face inward. So we're going to slide the cartridge into the tray and then pull up on this locking lever. And let's load the black cartridge into the tray on the right. Same exact procedure with the electronic contacts facing inward. Slide it all the way into the tray and then gently pull up on the locking lever to lock it into place. And we're then going to close the outer cartridge compartment door. And folks, this completes the installation of the ink cartridges on the Canon TR4720 series. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll leave links to these replacement ink cartridges right below the video in case you're looking to buy some. Hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a big thumbs up. And please also consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.